Hey guys, it's Emmy016 and today I'm just going to be looking at some art books, so let's log on. Yes. And remember guys, I love you guys like Kanye loves Kanye. If you guys want me to do making like an account on the Canada server, then I will. Just comment down below. But yeah. Oh, don't mind that. Let's look at some of the messages. Oh, shut up. I actually will shut up though. Huh? Thanks, Curse Film. Don't know how to pronounce your username, but thanks so much. Let's not go on favorites because there's no point. Thanks. Oh, that's a lot. Hey guys, if I haven't been posting much, it's because of school and sport, and yesterday I was a bit sick. And also, all my screen recorders broke, so I have to use screencast very manually. But there's no problem with that. Because it works really well, and there's no twists to it, and you can upload straight from Screencast-O-Matic to YouTube, and it's just great. You know, I love it. Oh, it's a giveaway. Not getting anything, is it? Whoa. I thought she said I'll hurt you. I'll be doing it. Giveaway. First, you must start with any numbers. Go. No, you are too difficult. Look at my friend. My friend. Oh my god, I'm just a beautiful styler. Ooh. No, I was giving my rare cat, but nope. Ooh, can I please have the third one? Don't worry, it's not clip. LMAS. Loves Ples and cause I need it, and I'll give you a rare account. guys, if I got a set, I'd just give them my rare account. That's how dumb I am, but load it up. Oh guys, if you want to see more of my face, you should follow me on Musically. But yeah, let's ew. Load it up. Recording. Recording. Okay, love this artie. I need to order you. Oh, this girl's actually really pretty. I like her. She's really pretty. Like my I don't know. You seem really, really nice. We're doing a sorbet giveaway, and I like turtles. And I like res too. I seem like a really serious rich. Look, my dog just ran away from me. That's kind of, what the frick? Mr. Buttyhole. Brian is nice. You're weird. Nicest person in my GF. Best friend. Ariana Grande, my best friend. Fun. Are you sure you're not 6? Brian. Nice. Girlfriend Alicia. Athena. Best friend Alicia. Nice. Alicia. Nice. Boyfriend Brian. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Can I be Andrew? Andrew, please. Let's look at some photos. I'm gonna put yeah. Oh, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi to YouTube.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful part of me. How it's just a KFC. It's just at KFC. Why did I have to tell her it was at KFC? Because it was after playing a netball game, and she would have been hot and sweaty in a good kind of way. Oh, thank you so much, Pretty Girl with Talent, aka Fussy Tissues MSP. Oh yeah, not gonna reveal my location. Yep, that's power. Ew, I look 5. Yeah, I look 5. Laptop camera. Ooh, that's. I fell sneeze. No,
Yeah.
okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. See you and have a great day.